Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a wig review on the IseeHair Mongolian Kinky Curly. So I got this hair from the official IseeHair website. I got 3 bundles, 16, 18, and 20 inches, no closure. And yeah, I made this wig by myself. It's my first wig ever, guys. So the way that I made the wig was I put the shortest bundle at the bottom, and then 18 inches and then 20 inches. So this is how the hair looks. I didn't cut it or anything, so this is the way that it came. I've been wanting to cut it, but I just never got around to doing it, but I will eventually. I want to cut layers so that it frames my face a bit more. Sorry, I just keep touching it. It's like a pillow. Straight out of the box, the curls looked really good, very defined. But the first thing I noticed was this is not the hair that Sade Watkins was wearing. This is a completely different texture. But in the end, it all worked out because I actually do like this hair because it looks so natural and it matches my texture. But for people who are expecting loose waves, this is not it. The more times that you wash it, the better the curls look. You need to separate the curls with your fingers and you need to scrunch, preferably diffuse, because when you diffuse, it makes it look that much better. So this is diffused. So this hair I have not washed in a month. It's been a month. It's been sitting in my closet. I will say though, whenever it got really frizzy, I would put water and Eco Styler on my hands and just like try to revive some of the curls at the top, but I never did anything crazy. So yeah, as you can see, it's kind of matting up. I want to show you guys a close-up of how my natural hair blends in with the wig. So I used Eco Styler gel to define my natural hair and get it super curly so that it could cover up the track. So the last thing that I want to mention about the hair is that it tends to tangle, especially at the nape of the neck. Even before, when I was washing the hair every week or every 2 weeks, I still had this problem. It was difficult to detangle and there were a lot of knots and stuff like that, so you have to be careful when you're brushing through the hair. Also, don't sleep in it because that will completely destroy the curls. So yeah, I would give the hair a 9 out of 10. It's great quality, looks super natural. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.